Learning English with Cece! Yay!
Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make mascarpone cheese. Let's get started!
Mascarpone cheese. Repeat after me. Mascarpone cheese. Mascarpone cheese. For the ingredients, you'll need heavy whipping cream. Repeat after me. Heavy whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. Limes. Repeat after me. Limes. Limes. We will use a cheesecloth. A cheesecloth. A cheesecloth. A steel strainer. A steel strainer. Repeat after me. A steel strainer. First, you shake your heavy whipping cream. And pour 3 cups of it into a pot. Then, turn your stove on medium heat. You cook it until it simmers. Next, turn your stove to low heat and add in 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Turn your stove back to medium-low heat and wait for about 15 minutes until it thickens. As you can see, it has thickened now. Turn your stove off and let your mixture cool down for 30 minutes. Then, prepare your needed materials to strain your mixture. Now, strain your mixture through the cheesecloth. Tie your cheesecloth with a rubber band. Place it in your fridge for 20 to 24 hours. After 20 to 24 hours, our mascarpone cheese is ready. Place it in a bowl, and your mascarpone cheese will be good to use for less than a week. We can use the excess liquid that's separated from our mascarpone cheese for soup, salad, etc. Look at this mascarpone cheese. It is very creamy, soft, and thick. We can use this mascarpone cheese for tiramisu. Be sure to check out my upcoming video on how to make the perfect tiramisu. Now it is time to review. In this video, you have learned nouns. Mascarpone cheese, heavy whipping cream, limes, a cheesecloth, a steel strainer. You have learned action words. First, you shake your heavy whipping cream. And pour 3 cups of it into a pot. You cook it until it simmers. Then, prepare your needed materials to strain your mixture. Now, strain your mixture through the cheesecloth. Tie your cheesecloth with a rubber band. You have learned adjectives. It is very creamy, soft, and thick. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something valuable, and remember to check the description box below to see the full Vietnamese translation of this video. See you next time. Cảm ơn các bạn đã xem video này. Tôi hy vọng các bạn đã học được nhiều điều giá trị và nhớ xem bản dịch tiếng Việt đầy đủ của video này ở cái description box dưới. Hẹn gặp lại các bạn lần sau.